Hi, I'm Dan from Kelowna, British Columbia. I'm reviewing the Vermont Pioneer Charcoal, which I put to the test by filling the hopper with Vermont wood pellets and cooking a sirloin tip roast. I really like the ability to smoke food and grill at the same time, and I have a thermometer available to check on the temperature without having to raise the lid. I also love that I don't have to use sugary sauces to infuse the roast with amazing flavor. I highly recommend this product to amateurs and professionals alike, for as you're about to see, it cooked my roast very well. Alright, so after 10 minutes of searing and 30 minutes of roasting, my sirloin tip roast is looking really good. Put in the meat thermometer, and there's actually 3 of them that we can use here. And it told me that it was at 135 degrees, so it's ready. I'll take it off in a few minutes, let it sit, and cut right into it. So this has been tested for life in Kelowna, British Columbia for the Vermont Casting 750 square inch smoker grill.